This is a digital pH meter for testing food and drinking water. Let's take a look at how to use and calibrate it. First, unscrew the probe protection cap. Press the off or on button briefly to turn on the pH meter. Press the hold button briefly to lock the reading. Before measuring again, remember to unlock the value first. Dip the pH meter into the test liquid. Wait for the reading to steady out. Then quickly press the hold key to lock and record the number. Right now the screen reads a pH value of 7.65. When calibrating the pH probe, get ready 4 cups of 250 milliliters purified water and pH calibration powder first. First pour in the pH 6.86 calibration powder and dissolve it. Then pour in the pH 4.0 calibration powder and dissolve it. Finally pour in the pH 9.18 calibration powder and dissolve it. Leave the mixed solutions for 5 minutes until the powder dissolves almost completely. Press and hold the cal button for 6 seconds to start calibrating 6.86. The screen will display cal and begin flashing 6.86. When flashing stops, calibration is finished. Rinse electrode with fresh water. Next, press and hold the cal button for 6 seconds to calibrate for 0.0. The screen will display cal and flash for 0.0. When the flashing stops, calibration is complete. Rinse the electrode again. Finally, press and hold the cal button for 6 seconds to calibrate 9.18. The screen will display cal and flash 9.18. When the flashing stops, the calibration is complete. Rinse the electrode after calibration. Calibration is now complete.